What's up YouTube? Welcome to Auto 3 Garage and welcome back to another video. And before we begin, I hope y'all consider subscribing, like the video, share with your friends, family, or whoever. On today we're looking at this 1988 Chevrolet 3500 regular cab with a long bed going for 10 grand. This is a steal for the wheel. Now this is a dually body and it's a single cab, which is pretty cool. Now we got red interior and red exterior, looking all nice and good. Got some nice wheels, and also we got a hidden hitch behind the license plate, which I find really cool. Reminds me of how them old school cars have the gas cap behind the license plate. But anyway, man, this is how it's looking right now. Woo! Looking all gorgeous, this front end. I love the boxy style. Man, got the wide fender flares. Now he did add a cowl hood on here, and I don't think it's painted. But this is another look before. This is the inside. Look pretty mint. And then this is, the interior still. Everything looking nice with the red. Got the radio right here. Nothing too crazy. Something basic. We also got another look on the exterior. This thing look pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I love these boxy style trucks, especially these 80s, 90s trucks. I love them. And it's so crazy, like with the newer cars, they're trying to integrate like the older like style of these trucks, rather SUVs or dualies or anything like this nature. Now you don't see these regular cab dually trucks often. This one is low mileage, 1988, 7.4 454 two-wheel drive, 4-speed with around 122,000 miles. A ton of new items added to this truck, like seat covers, headliner, windshield, forever sharp steering wheel, under seat sub with retro BT stereo, and then some other good things: lowering kit, bed cover, cab covers, brakes, hidden hitch. This thing got everything. Title in hand. At the asking price, the cowl hood is snug or top. We'll continue with the truck. The hood is primer and black. The shell is light blue. But anyway, whew. Hey man, let me know y'all thoughts. Have y'all ever owned one of these? Let me know. He want 10 grand for it. I think it's a steal. These trucks, they do hold pretty good value. If y'all don't know, back in the 80s and stuff, trucks was very high in demand. As y'all can see, I did like a quick search of this particular truck because I couldn't really look it up on Kelly book, try to get the value. But they do say sell around like 14 grand. But like I said, this truck is a steal. And then you got like ton of payload you can carry. I mean, you can do a lot with this truck. It could be a show truck, work truck, or whatever truck. That's why I love Chevy trucks. You could beat on them and they still can be going on miles, or you can take care of them like this example right here. Anyway guys, that's going to be pretty much it. That's going to be my 2 cents. If y'all enjoyed this video, I hope y'all give it a like. Don't just watch it, share it. Let me know y'all thoughts down below. Honestly, I think this is a pretty cool truck. I think 10 grand is a steal. I did went to look back. It is in pending status, so it looks like somebody already swept it up. But a dually with a two-door cab and 88 with low mileage and all that, you can't really beat that. It looks pretty cool. Like I said, you could do a lot with it if you want to. And that's pretty much it. Just drop your input down below. And stay tuned for another video. See y'all.